Today we are going to practice writing sentences, and we're going to double check them to make sure that they make sense and they're in the proper order. So we are looking at word order today. Now you remember our sentence rules, and you have your song that you can sing to help you remember what you are supposed to do when you write a sentence. So let's take a look at our box. Words in a telling sentence must be in order to make sense. My family likes pancakes. Make sense? Yes. Who's it about? Your family. What about your family? They like pancakes. Now look, this sentence is not in order. Listen. Likes pancakes, my family. Likes pancakes, my family. Does that make sense? Not at all. So let's practice putting words in order to make our sentence make sense. So our rule down here, we reread our sentences once they're written to make sure that they make sense. Number 1, the milk, period, here is. The milk here is. Does that make sense? Not at all. So you remember, we always start with a capital letter in our sentence. And they're giving you a clue here on which word should be first. Do you see the word that has the capital letter? Yes, here's a capital H right here. So here goes first. Here. Here is the milk. Here is the milk, period. You see how it ends with a period? So that gave me a clue that that should be the last word in our sentence. So let's write it. Capital H. Here. Now remember, put your finger spaces in there. Is, finger space, the milk, period. Let's reread it. Here is the milk. Now let's sing our song to see if our sentence is correct and if we followed all the rules. I can write a sentence, you can too. Start with the capital, finger spaces too. End with an end mark, reread it through. Print as neatly as I know you can do. Here is the milk. Make sense? What does it tell us? It tells us that the milk is here. All right, sentence number 2. Help, period. Mom and Dad. Can you tell which order it should be in? Look for the clues. Find the capital letters. Do you see them? Look for the clues. Find the end mark. Capitals go at the beginning, end marks go at the end. So do you see which order you are supposed to write this sentence? Look, Mom and Dad. Mom has a capital, Dad has a capital. Mom and Dad are also used as names here, and you remember we always start with capitals with names. So we're going to keep those 2 words as they are. Mom, capital M, finger space, and finger space, Dad, help. Don't forget that finger space. Help. End mark. All right. Let's reread it. Mom and Dad help. Did we follow all the rules? Yes. Does it make sense? Yes. Okay. What does it tell us? That Mom and Dad help. Sentence number 3, take a look. The eggs, period. I mix. The eggs I mix? Doesn't sound right to me. See if you can get this sentence in order without my help. Remember to look for your clues, your capital letter in your end marks. Write your sentence. Okay, do you have your sentence fixed? I see a capital letter here, I. So I am going to have the word I first. What are you doing? Mix. Don't forget your space. Mix. I mix. What do you mix? The. Fit those lines neatly. Eggs. I mix the eggs. What goes at the very end? Your end mark. All right, now we did these first 3 together. Don't forget to be singing your sentence rule song to help you out. Make sure that you're putting your sentences in order. Flip your paper over and now it's your turn to try. Words in telling sentences must be in order to make sense. So you will start right here at number 4. I will help you read the words. Then you go back and you make sure that you follow all of our sentence rules and put them in order. This first word, help me sound it out. Sis. Sis is a short name for sister. Sis. Milk, period. Adds. Sis, milk. Adds. Doesn't make sense to me. You look for the clues and write the sentence in order neatly on the line. Then go down to number 5. Here are the words. Help me read them. The. Food. The food, period. Cooks. Dad. The food cooks. Dad. Doesn't make any sense to me. Look for the clues, follow sentence rules, write your sentence in the proper order on the lines neatly. Number 6, Mom sets table, period, the. Look for the clues, follow sentence rules, write your telling sentence in order. Number 7, 2, I eat pancakes. 2, I eat pancakes. There's a period. Make sure you are looking for your capital first. Your end mark goes last. Your finger spaces go in between. Print neatly. Then reread it and make sure that each of your sentences makes sense. Down at the very bottom, word order, draw and write how you can help with breakfast. So you can do this activity for optional extra homework and you can write and draw in your Jesus journal. Follow sentence rules. Thank you.